Welcome to our curated collection of gray and white modern kitchen ideas for every style and budget. Gray and white kitchens have long been a favorite among homeowners and designers alike, offering a timeless and versatile color scheme that works beautifully in a wide range of design styles. In this guide, we have handpicked an array of stunning kitchen designs that showcase the sophistication and elegance of gray and white color palettes, while also catering to different tastes and budgets. From minimalist and industrial-inspired kitchens to luxurious and cozy spaces, you'll discover an inspiring selection of gray and white modern kitchens that are sure to spark your creativity. Whether you're planning a complete kitchen remodel or simply looking for ways to update your current space, our collection has something for everyone. So, grab a cup of tea, sit back, and explore these fabulous gray and white modern kitchen ideas that will inspire you to create the kitchen of your dreams. A chic gray and white modern kitchen with a cozy breakfast nook, large windows, and open shelving for displaying decorative items. This chic gray and white modern kitchen offers a perfect blend of style and functionality with its cozy breakfast nook and ample storage options. The large windows fill the space with natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Open shelving provides an opportunity to display decorative items or favorite kitchenware, adding a personal touch to the room. The neutral color palette of gray and white works in harmony with the mix of textures and materials, such as the wooden flooring and stainless steel appliances, to create a visually interesting and cohesive design. The breakfast nook serves as a welcoming spot for casual dining or enjoying a morning coffee, making this kitchen a space that caters to both practical needs and moments of relaxation. A compact gray and white modern kitchen with space-saving solutions such as built-in appliances and a fold-out dining table. This compact gray and white modern kitchen maximizes every inch of available space through clever design and space-saving solutions. Built-in appliances and streamlined cabinetry create a seamless and uncluttered look, while the fold-out dining table offers a versatile dining option when needed. The neutral gray and white color scheme visually expands the space, making it feel larger and more open. The minimalist design allows for easy movement and efficient use of the kitchen, without compromising on style. This small yet functional kitchen proves that even the most limited spaces can be transformed into beautiful and practical environments. A luxurious gray and white modern kitchen with a marble backsplash, floating shelves, and an elegant waterfall countertop on the island. This luxurious gray and white modern kitchen exudes sophistication and style with its eye-catching marble backsplash and elegant waterfall countertop on the island. The floating shelves provide a minimalist display area for decorative items or everyday essentials, while the sleek cabinetry offers ample storage for a clutter-free environment. The kitchen's neutral color palette is elevated by the use of high-quality materials and finishes, such as the marble and stainless steel appliances. The open concept layout and large windows create a bright and airy atmosphere, making this kitchen a dream space for cooking and entertaining in style. A monochromatic gray and white modern kitchen with a pop of color from plants and accessories, featuring a skylight for natural light. This monochromatic gray and white modern kitchen comes to life with pops of color from vibrant plants and accessories. The skylight above the space brings in an abundance of natural light, highlighting the sleek lines and clean design elements of the kitchen. The neutral color palette serves as a perfect backdrop for colorful accents, adding a touch of personality and warmth to the space. The minimalist cabinetry and seamless integration of appliances contribute to the kitchen's modern aesthetic, while the addition of greenery and colorful accessories brings an element of nature and playfulness. This stylish kitchen demonstrates that a neutral color scheme can be both sophisticated and inviting when paired with the right design elements and accessories. A sleek gray and white modern kitchen with minimalist design elements, including high-gloss cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. This stunning gray and white kitchen boasts a minimalist design with clean lines, creating a sense of simplicity and sophistication. The high-gloss cabinetry reflects natural light, making the space appear larger and more inviting. The stainless steel appliances blend seamlessly into the overall design, adding a touch of modern elegance to the room. The neutral color palette of gray and white allows for a versatile design that can be easily updated with pops of color through accessories or artwork. The minimalist aesthetic provides a sense of calm and order, making this kitchen the perfect space for preparing meals and entertaining guests in style. A sophisticated gray and white contemporary kitchen with herringbone patterned flooring, a glass backsplash, and statement pendant lights above the island. This sophisticated gray and white contemporary kitchen showcases stunning design elements, including herringbone patterned flooring, a glass backsplash, and statement pendant lights above the island. The neutral color palette is enhanced by the mix of textures and patterns, creating a visually rich and inviting space. The sleek cabinetry and modern appliances blend seamlessly into the design, while a central island serves as a focal point and functional workspace. The pendant lights add a touch of drama and sophistication, illuminating the space with a warm glow. This elegant kitchen is the perfect example of how attention to detail and thoughtful design choices can result in a truly remarkable and stylish space that combines form, function, and beauty. A spacious gray and white modern kitchen with clean lines, handleless cabinetry, and a seamless integration of appliances. Featuring a spacious layout and an abundance of storage, this gray and white modern kitchen is the epitome of form and function. The clean lines and handleless cabinetry create a streamlined look, allowing the eye to focus on the room's elegant design. The seamless integration of appliances further enhances the minimalist aesthetic, resulting in a clutter-free and stylish space. The neutral gray and white color palette creates a calming and inviting atmosphere, while the large windows allow for ample, natural light to illuminate the space. The open concept design encourages social interaction, making this kitchen an ideal spot for hosting gatherings and creating memories with loved ones. A stylish gray and white contemporary kitchen showcasing a mix of materials, including concrete countertops, matte cabinetry, and metallic accents. In this stylish gray and white contemporary kitchen, a mix of materials creates a unique and visually appealing design. The concrete countertops add an industrial touch, while the matte cabinetry provides a smooth contrast. Metallic accents, such as the stainless steel appliances and hardware, elevate the overall aesthetic and add a touch of modern luxury. The open concept layout and large windows ensure that the space remains bright and welcoming, allowing for easy movement between the kitchen and adjacent living areas. The neutral color palette creates a versatile canvas for incorporating pops of color through accessories or artwork, making this kitchen a beautiful and functional space for cooking, entertaining, and everyday living. An airy gray and white contemporary kitchen featuring a large central island, pendant lighting, and floor-to-ceiling windows. This spacious gray and white contemporary kitchen is flooded with natural light, thanks to the floor-to-ceiling windows that offer stunning views of the outdoors. The large central island serves as both a functional workspace and a gathering spot for family and friends, with its comfortable seating and ample countertop space. Pendant lighting above the island adds a touch of warmth and intimacy to the open layout. The neutral color scheme of gray and white is complemented by the use of natural materials such as wood and stone to create a harmonious and inviting atmosphere. The sleek cabinetry and modern appliances lend a sense of sophistication to the space, while the abundance of natural light and greenery visible through the windows bring the outdoors in, making this kitchen a serene and inspiring place to cook and entertain. An industrial-inspired gray and white modern kitchen with exposed brick walls, stainless steel appliances, and a large island with barstool seating. Embracing an industrial-inspired design, this gray and white modern kitchen showcases exposed brick walls, stainless steel appliances, and a large island with barstool seating. The combination of raw materials and sleek finishes creates a dynamic and visually captivating space, perfect for cooking and entertaining. The neutral color palette is accentuated by the warmth and texture of the brick walls, while the large windows and ample lighting ensure that the space remains bright and inviting. The spacious island provides a central gathering point for family and friends, making this kitchen a hub of activity and enjoyment within the home.